Hi, Al. Good afternoon. Thanks for joining. I'm audible.
Yes, audible.
Thank you. So, anybody is ready to share your screen today? So, we have to do some small configurations on your laptop. Okay. So, who will be ready with us to share your screen and we can do our lab? This is new topic. Don't worry. It's a very simple thing. I'm not asking anything to you. Okay. You can share your screen. Hmm? Be ready. Okay. So, who will be ready to share your screen out of five?
Any changes in the laptop, sir?
No, no office laptop, only personal laptop. Okay,
Okay.
right. Be ready. Yeah, thank you. So, guys, today we are going to talk about there is a service name called there's a new tool name called Maven. So, what is the use of Maven? That's very important. So, Maven is a tool, uh, is a build tool from Apache. So, if you see that Apache is a parent company. It develops many products. Okay, hundreds of tools and services are providing by Apache, and similar like a Tomcat. Okay, we have discussed in the previous session, right? So this Apache is providing hundreds of services here. So Apache project list, we can see the applications are starts with A to Z. Okay, all kind of applications are available. So that's a familiar services are available. So which is provided by Apache. We have a tools name called build management. We have a tools names called build management. In the build management, okay, we have services are provided. So one of the tool name called, okay, very popular tool name called Maven, Apache Maven. So if you go to this website, maven.apache.org, so here we get a complete information. So before we need to understand about Apache, so first we need to understand what is meaning of Maven. So Maven is completely uh, used for developer applications for a project management tool. It's based on POM, project object model based tools. So what is the purpose of this tool we are using means to build dependency and documentation purpose in the projects we are using this. So the Maven tool also is similar to Ant, okay, Ant. But Ant is very old tool compared to Ant. Maven is a very advanced, very advanced. And we have one more popular tool in the market, which is called Gradle. Gradle and Maven. So Maven is nowadays is a famous. If you check the current version in the system right now, we have a 3.9.2 is available. 3.9.2, it is available. Suppose if you want to install this Apache Maven application, the requirement is Maven 3.9, okay, above versions. JDK 8 and above version is required. So Java development kit we need to install on your system so that the Maven will work. Otherwise, no. So there is no memory requirement and there is no operating system requirement. You can use this Maven in Linux, Windows, and even Mac systems also you can use. Okay, so almost all Unix flavors it will works. But if you want to learn Maven, you need a basic prerequisite knowledge, okay, about shell scripts. Shell scripts, okay? Shell script knowledge is required. And also Windows batch files knowledge also required. Any one of the, or maybe two, that will be great. So guys, I'm sharing a batch script, okay? Batch script, the class recording files with you, okay? It's hardly close to 3 hours, 2 to 3 hours, okay? So can you please, whenever you free, from today onwards, you can please finish this course. In case of any doubts, I'll clarify. And the last 1 week, we have discussed something about shell scripting. So do you have any questions on that before moving to the Maven? Before moving to the Maven, do you have any other questions in shell scripting? So I hope so. Everyone is clear. Kumar, Purushottaman,
Yes, sir.
Sairam. Yeah, good, right? Good, brother. So please complete your work if in case of anything is not completed. So tomorrow I'll take one more session in Maven. So Saturday, Sunday, probably Monday also. So I'll be giving the break for you because of Monday, the people, the kids are joining in the schools. So for rejoining the, so going to the school and arranging the school payments and everything. Okay, probably maximum 99% I will try to take the class. In case not possible, I'll update you in advance. Okay. So Saturday, Sunday. So you can please spend your time, valuable time, and you can finish it. And today and tomorrow, I'll take a very basic information about Maven installation and configuration. I don't want to take into the much into the topic. Then you guys can continue with your shell scripting, batch scripting. You please brush up yourself. Okay, this is a great opportunity, but next week onwards, I'll directly jump into main topics on the Maven. It's very, very important for you. Then come here in the prerequisites, you understand, right? So come here in this the files to download and install in this, and how to set up this environment. This is something taking some time for installing and configuring. So I'll take one of your system, and because of my system is already configured in the morning. So anyone, you can share your screen. I would able to set up the Maven configuration, if you don't mind. Will be ready with me? Be ready in the 5 minutes. Suresh or Vicky or Kumar, anyone, one of you, please ready. Okay, please share your screen. Don't use your personal, so don't use your office system, only personal computer. Okay, then come back to the topic. So basically, this Maven, Gradle, and these tools are using for converting a programming code into application in a build package. So like a different packages like a jar, var, or maybe EAR, this type of formats they'll be get created. So jar means Java application package, var means web application package, EAR means enterprise application package. So mostly EAR application is we are not taking care of, so even not required us. But in real-time environment, so they have in-house application development team. They'll give the enterprise application packages, but similar kind of thing. But we don't have any a separate team or maybe knowledge on creating the enterprise applications. Like we are not a programmers, so that's why. Okay. And var and jar files we will be configured. So probably after setting up the Maven environment, we can touch that. Coming to the main topic of the Maven. Okay, so Maven without Maven. So if you are maintaining the software development lifecycle, project development, it has a more difficult to managing it. So let me give you some example. Without Maven, understanding the problems in the application development. So in the Java application development, so we have using some frameworks like struts, spring, hibernate, this type of frameworks they'll be using. So we need to add set of jar files into the project. In each project, we must use the Maven. So without Maven, we are unable to set all the files like a jar files in the project folder. That will be very difficult because of dependencies configuration for the job files. And a similar way, we must create the right project management structure in servlets, struts, etc. So we could not able to execute it. So without execution, we'll not able to see any kind of outputs. Not possible, right? If we need an execution, we must create a right project management structure in servlet and struts. So going forward, I'll help you how you can maintain the good structure. You can convert application, okay? That means code into application. That's the third one is called as build and deployment. So building and deployment. So after the coding is done, so building an applications and deploying applications to the product environment or test environment, we can able to see the output. Otherwise, no, right? So this is the all three important phases we are using the Maven. That's the main work. Okay, we can consider each work will be like a 30% or 40% in the project. 100% Maven is needed in very vast area. The Maven tools are used. Coming to Maven, what we'll do? So Maven will give the project easy to build it. Okay, and it maintain the uniform process. Like all the projects have the similar kind of structure. Example, if person is working in one team and if you go to other project in the same Maven tools project, you don't see any kind of confusions. Project informations about the project. So providing the project information like log documents, cross-referenced sources, mailing, dependencies list, unit test reports, all kind of project information it get maintained. Even we can easily migrate applications to a newer version of Maven. So newer features also we can easily migrate it. Easily migrate it. And also Apache Maven helping to managing the builds, documentations, reporting, source code management, releases, and distributions. Okay, fine. What is meaning of build tool? Build tool is nothing but it's a generating the source code and generating the documentation from the source code, compiling the source code, and packaging compiled into jar or maybe zip files, and installing packaged applications to the local repository, server repository, and central repository. These are the main area of work we are doing with the Maven. Either not only Maven, any build packages. Any other questions? No questions, right? Let's we can install Maven in Windows. Okay. So let me stop my screen share. So who will be ready to share your screen? See guys, let me set up the environment. Let me go to AWS console. So here I have a Windows machine. So now this is a Windows machine. Let me start here. This will take 3 minutes to power on. Please wait.
You are sharing screen, Rajesh. You are not sharing screen.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. I just now started the mission. Please wait. The Windows machine. Okay, now the server is ready. I can connect here. This is a Windows 2022 operating system. And username is administrator and password is. This is the password. I can connect here. Now the machine is ready. Let's start installing the Maven application. First, Maven application, we cannot directly install and configure. So first we need to go ahead for what do you call it? Java application kit. I already downloaded for time saving. I think it's deleted again. I think so. So let me share the link to download the Java file. This is the address where I need to download the file. Okay. And this is a file name. And 9.0.4 I'm going to download. Okay. I'll do one thing. I will directly download this application from the server itself. So this will save our time. First, we need to log into the account in Oracle. So you can sign up with your Gmail account and you can log in. So once file is downloaded on the system, we need to install and we need to configure the environment variables on this computer. So then only the Java file will works. And after that, we can install and configure the Maven. So 376 MB, this is a big file only. So please wait for until the software is downloaded. Now open the file from the download location and install it. Don't change any locations. If you're changing the locations, then after that will be a problem. So make it use a default location for the Java runtime application. I think I clicked double time, so maybe that's the reason. Please wait. And click next. And this is the development tools and source code, public JRE, everything's default and C program. Please uncheck and click next and close it. Okay. You can see this message successfully installed. Close it here, and you can open CMD and we can check.
So we cannot see your
Java.
screen.
Why?
Now it's
How many of you are not able to see my screen?
now can.
Okay. Java hyphen version. See, Java version is showing here. In case if your Java version is not showing, and go to start. Okay. Type env. So edit environment variables. Okay. You can click here. And this is environment variable screen will come. You need to configure the Java home directory by clicking new Java underscore home. The directory location we need to point here. Don't forget, in case if you're not able to see the version, program files, Java. This is a Java location and paste here and click OK. After that, there is a path will be there. Select this path. Okay. Select this path. And there's a specific path will be there. Let me tell you. Java delivery kit. So JDK or JRE? JDK. You need to select this file, copy this path, and you can paste here. Click OK. After this path, we need to set, edit the path, create a new percentile Java underscore home, again percentile backslash bin. You can use bin. Okay, bin. So there's a main files, everything will be getting stored in this location. And click OK. OK. Close here. And you can close your browser and open CMD and open this Java hyphen version. It's working fine. So this is a way we need to configure in case it is not working. I just have shown that troubleshooting. The second one, you need to download the Maven file. Go to downloads. So here we have a binary zip files will be there. You please download it here. Apache Maven. Completely not downloaded. Please wait for some time. Done. Then refresh here. You can see here, this is a files. So which was copied. So what we need to do, one step back, copy this folder. Okay. Go here and C drive, and you can paste here. This Maven Apache. And MVN hyphen version, this is a command to check. It's not working. So Maven version we need to configure. Okay. You can copy here. Go to start, type env. Create new Maven home. And this is the directory location. Click OK and go to path. Percentile Maven underscore home percentile bin directory. Okay. Bin directory you need to point. Click OK. OK. I can go to CMD. See guys, Apache Maven is successfully installed. So now it's pointed to the version. So any other question? So Apache Maven installation on Windows operating system. No questions, right?
No,
So
sir.
thank you guys. So please set up this lab, everyone. So instead of your practicing in your local laptop, yes, you can do it, but don't try for your don't try for in office laptops. If you have a personal laptop, we can try. My best suggestion is try it on Amazon Web Services. Okay. If any doubts, you please WhatsApp on the group. Our team will help you. Thank you. So tomorrow we'll set up Maven installation on the Linux environment. Okay. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Rajesh.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Bye.